Hello friends, we are back. We just had some epic live stream battles at the Mirage because they're closing the Mirage down. And if you didn't catch our live stream, make sure to tune into the VOD because you can still see it on our live tab on our page. But we were at the Wynn, and now we're gonna do some Buffalo. Oh, first spin. So you know what's crazy, people? We used to always play Mo Mummy over here, and Mo Mummy. All the Mo Mummy machines have now been shut down. Isn't that crazy? Oh, I didn't even hit my free play. So our favorite Mo Mummy machine, all the Mo Mummy machines have been closed. All 6 of the Mo Mummy machines have been closed at the Wynn. So now we had to find a new machine to play because we were expecting to play that, you know? And we no longer have the chance. Oh, come on, Buffalo. We no longer have the chance to play Mo Mummy at the Wynn. How crazy. So we're trying our hand over here. Do you want anything? Okay, thank you. So I hope you guys are doing well. We've been having a lot of fun on our live streams recently. We've been getting a lot of new friends, meeting a lot of new people from all around the world. It's been truly awesome. We appreciate every one of you. 2 more. And our live streams have been, you know, crazy. Today we went to the Mirage. Like I said, they're closing the Mirage down, and they have to pay back millions and millions of dollars in progressive jackpots that have just been sitting there. Oh, that would have been nice. But, oh, keep going. Extra wild. We look at this. We need to trigger it with one of these crazy ones. But that was crazy at the Wynn, people. Oh, sorry, I thought the Wynn. Okay, going. Oh. If it keeps going, you see how big it can be. It can be a huge multiplier. But yeah, the Mirage. It's bittersweet that it's closing. Come on, one coin. Oh, and we would have got to see an extra 2 free spins with it. Oh yeah, where were you last spin, buddy? This machine is super stuck. Oh, sorry, the button is pretty stuck, so if you see me pounding on that button, that is why. And we keep getting 2 in a row. What's your guys' favorite version of Buffalo? I like this one. I mean, I know people like Buffalo Gold. But you can see the majors, 1,300. The grand, yes please, 30,000. The one in the middle, wifey is with me by the way. Wifey's sitting on that machine. Oh, keep going. Oh, kings too, 5 kings. That was only $1.80 for, guys, we got 5 kings and 3 Buffalo, and that was barely our bet back. That was, and then 9s, boom. 2 more. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go, guys. Top right. Top right, ace. We don't need an ace, it's not poker. Keep going. I mean, we're getting, what's this? I mean, that's crazy. They pays pretty low, but the reason why they pay pretty low is because it can be a multiplier. Oh. We want a full page of that. I've seen someone with like, not even a huge bet, got like $60,000 with they just kept getting Buffalo in a row, yeah. Like, they got so many free spins. This game can be super fun. We're sad, we're still in shock that Mo Mummy is no longer a viable option at the Wynn. Yeah, come on, coin.
Does it really happen?
Yeah, it happens sometimes. Why I feel like, does it really happen? Like getting a bonus? Oh, yes. Oh, keep going. Buffalo. Oh, it would have been so big. Times 30. Guys, that would have been so big. I don't know. I dropped the bet to only 80 cents, but it's still pretty good. Guys, if there was one more in the back, that would have been so big. But if you get that in the bonus, so you can keep getting those in the bonus round. It's really, really crazy. 2 more. Keep going. Oh, Buffalo. Oh, okay, well. At least we got 3 this time. That's how you do it.
Wow.
Yeah. Wabba in the belt sound. Okay, kings. It's a wild, yeah. In the bonus round, it's a multiplier. So you have multiple multipliers in this game. Come on, 2 coins. Come on. Oh my God, this would be huge. Yes, that's huge. That's huge. Guys, we have so many chiefs and extra wilds in this. That's those crazy guys, this can be big. Please don't let this be a Sando. Oh my God, people. All right, 8 free games. We got up to 8x. We need to see a lot of coins in this. If we get coins and Buffalo and everything, people, everyone, focus your energy. The Chiefs it adds the Buffalo Chiefs in here, so we have bigger line hits. This is plus, guys, this is pretty good, right? And the extra wild. Come on, guys, we need to see a lot of Buffalo. A lot of Buffalo. Yes. Oh, keep going. Times 8. Okay, Buffalo. That's still, you know. Whew. Okay, guys. So look, there's 70 buffaloes in the. Oh, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Buffalo. If it keeps going, that's so big. I think so. I think they're still in there. No, I think that was just 10. I don't think it does, no. Come on, keep going, guys. Keep going. We need to see a full page with multiple multipliers. Let's get some coins. Extra wilds. Okay, guys, please, connect. Connect. Buffalo. Eagles. And then, if we had 1 more coin. Some kind of connection, but 2 coins. 1 more coin. Yes, extra wilds. More coins. More coin. 1 more. Okay. Extra games and extra wild. 2, yeah, 2 coins re-triggers. 3 gets you the bonus. Guys, can this be one of those dream Buffalo sessions? Let's just keep this going for like 20 minutes. Come on, coin. Yes, more. That's 2 extra games plus the 5, I believe. Guys, can this be what's starting to be an epic run? Plus 2, yes. Look at this. We have 70 wilds, 6 of 20. Okay, now we can make something happen, people. Now let's see a bunch of Buffalo. Extra wild activated. Yes, on the second row. Buffalo, wide times 4. Buffalo. Oh, Eagles, though. I mean, so we can add extra wilds randomly. So there they are. Come on, coin. Coin. And that missed everything right there. That coin blocked this. Come on. Buffalo. Whole page of Buffalo. Buffalo! We need to see the whole connection. That would be so crazy. Come on, people. We have 10 more games. All right, put that up. Buffalo, Buffalo, Buffalo. Oh my God. Connect, please. Connect. Buffalo. Buffalo. Oh my God, please, Buffalo. At least 1. Okay, yes. Yes. Okay, Buffalo here. Guys, Buffalo here. Guys, Buffalo here. Buffalo, please stop. Buffalo, please, for the love of God, Buffalo. Oh my God, the horse. Guys, how big? Yeah, we got all of this, but that would have been huge. Chief. Wow, unbelievable, huh? That would have been huge if we got 1 more thing of Buffalo. 1 more, and then again, see you later. Yeah, very good, exactly. That's still very good. We appreciate it, but oh my goodness, people. There's just this so far. Yes, come on, Buffalo. Yes, 1 more, 1 more. A coin. Oh my God, we got a group behind us, people. Come on. Oh my God. Oh, what do we need? Fox. Oh, eagle. We got eagles. Yeah. My goodness, if this was on the last one, that would have been like $1,000. Coin. 1 more coin, please. Yes, 1 more. Okay. This is not bad. 5 more now, yeah. Okay, people, can we make this epic? Let's go. Oh God. We're cooking. We're cooking. Yes, 8. Buffalo. Buffalo. Man, to get an 8x multiplier and not get any more, I don't know. Yeah. I think so. Buffalo, coin. Oh, don't be a waste, coin. It was a win. Okay, guys, let's get a full page of Buffalo like that last one. That was times 56. Buffalo, yes, yes, yes. Here too. At least a few. Oh. Still. God, we would love to have had that first one. It's a chance, so we have a chance, guys. We have 8 more games. Come on, Buffalo, Buffalo. Oh my God, coins. Eagles. Man, that's a huge waste. We got the coin. Okay, that's good. Because, yeah, we have 5. Because that could have been big, but at least it gave us our 5 more spins, guys. There we are. Guys, Buffalo. Beautiful chief, majestic, beautiful animal. All right, please connect. Rows, 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 rows of buffaloes. Oh, please, coin. Oh, that would have been big to add 20 more. Oh, keep going. We want to get some 5 of a kind, so that's on the money. Come on, keep going. Okay. Guys, we have 9 more free games. Please, let's retrigger. Oh, please, fill up 1, 2, and 3. Why is it always on reel 4? 1, 2, yes, yes. Guys, please, full. Oh, 30, that would have been another like $500 million on it. This is another good one though. Chief. Even one more would have been so huge. Yeah, right. But this is something to show up there. So that's, I like the animation. My free games, yeah. I think I have a little bit. Yeah, I have 19 left. Yeah. All right, guys. Go. Guys, we need some re-triggers. Don't let us end. Why is it always this reel? Why not reel 2? Buffalo. Bear. Bear, queens, kings, tens. Oh, queens. Just queens, but that's a 28 times queens. That's like, yeah, nothing that much. All right, guys, we need a reel 2. What's going on with reel 2? Buffalo. Oh, coin. Yes, more. Let's get plus 20 games. Okay. More games, people. We add it to the top, people. Let's go. We want some more of those special coins with the big values on them. Yes. Oh. Where was the extra reel then? Extra wilds. Here it is. Why is it never on reel 2? It's right there. 6, Buffalo. Oh, nothing connect. Come on. Now, reel 4. Okay. Come on, Buffalo. Yes, no. Oh, coin. Random coin at the end. Oh. All right, guys. So we need to have some magic. Yes, finally this one. Buffalo. Whole page, please. Let's scream. Oh. Then why did it do this when it's nothing there? Even if it was this bear or tens or anything. You beauty. You beauty. Oh, keep going. Oh man, where were you last time? Let's have at least one more ridiculous one. Come on, yes, okay. Come on, please, let this be the one. Times 8, okay, come on, please. Buffalo. Oh my God, please Buffalo on these 2. Please, for the love of Jesus. Oh my God, 9s. At least we got some Buffaloes too. Dynamites. Man, if that's a bear or anything. If it was just a bear, it would be 5 of a kind bears. Okay. Oh, keep going. Yes. Do the thing. No. Where was that extra wild? That's so big, guys. We have a few more games, so we need to see some more magic. Let's not let this end. These are hard to get, these kind of bonuses. Come on. Yes. Coin. Oh my God. It blocked it. This would have been so big with the multiplier. Oh, that was the last one. I mean, that was crazy. 38,178 pennies. I mean, to get it on this was really good, you know? to get it with a 50 Chiefs, 20 Chiefs, and an extra wild. It's just that a lot of those wilds weren't connecting in the beginning. So that was crazy, people. Oh my goodness, we love it. Love to see it. Oh, do it again. Oh, what the heck, the buffalo right there. Oh my gosh. Let's do this. We guys, we're still using our free play technically too. Oh, in the bonus round one time. Okay, come on. Can we get another bonus round? I mean, why not? 15 cents. Man, that was exciting. You know, slots, like you always feel like you're left wanting something more at the end. I mean, you're never like fully satisfied. Oh, 5. Oh, that is how we do it. That is how we do it. Oh, come on. Man, one more coin. All right, we'll do a few more backup spins. That was crazy. Oh my God, please, another one. Oh my God, guys, one more. Full row. Oh, times 30. Wrong kitty. Like you said. See, I'm gonna do. Yeehaw! My goodness, that was crazy, people. That bonus round was a wow, wow, wee, wow. Okay, we like that. We're at 469. We'll do a few more backups. 2 more. Oh, please. Don't. Oh my God, that would have been one of the ones. Now we got the, you can get it just by getting 3 coins or with those extra special magic things on them. Oh God. 2. See, you can get them just normal. 1, huge one. Look at that, so you get 1,680 times. How crazy. Now I'm doing the free. I'm just doing a couple more. Good, how are you?
Do you have permission?
Yes, we've had it. It's not a live stream. It's not, yes, from one of the managers gave it to us like 2 months ago, 3 months ago. We're almost done anyway, but yeah. Yeah. We spoke to like 10 people, but yeah, thank you. I don't know, like 10 people the last like year. Like every time we say it's not a live stream.
Now, while you're here now.
No one now. Yeah, no one right now. Just you, yeah. But yeah, they're checking to see if we're live streaming or not. But I think that's a good sign to like stop anyway, right? We'll do one more 80 cent. 80 cent. Okay, so we are going to take that, people, and we're gonna run. That was crazy. We used our free play, we got some magic. There's no more Mo Mummy, but we found a new favorite machine. Thank you, Buffalo Chief. And yeah, we will be back with another one soon. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll be back. That was awesome. Still can't believe all those spins. Wow. All right, thanks again.